Knowledge Nest, your home for learning. Phonics A to Z. Capital A, small a. A is for apple. Apple. A is for aunt. Aunt. Apple, aunt. Capital B, small b. B is for bananas. Bananas. B is for basket. Basket. Bananas, basket. Capital C, small c. C is for cat. Cat. C is for car. Car. Cat, car. Capital D, small d. D is for dog. Dog. D is for donut. Donut. Dog, donut. Capital E, small e. E is for elephant. Elephant. E is for egg. Egg. Elephant, egg. Capital F, small f. F is for feather. Feather. F is for fish. Fish. Feather, fish. Capital G, small g. G is for grass. Grass. G is for goat. Goat. Grass, goat. Capital H, small h. H is for hat. Hat. H is for house. House. Hat, house. Capital I, small I. I is for iguana. Iguana. I is for igloo. Igloo. Iguana, igloo. Capital J, small j. J is for jug. Jug. J is for jam. Jam. Jug, jam. Capital K, small k. K is for king. King. K is for kite. Kite. King, kite. Capital L, small l. L is for loin. Loin. L is for lemon. Lemon. Loin, lemon. Capital M, small m. M is for monkey. Monkey. M is for mango. Mango. Monkey, mango. Capital N, small n. N is for nest. Nest. N is for nurse. Nurse. Nest, nurse. Capital O, small o. O is for octopus. Octopus. O is for owl. Owl. Octopus, owl. Capital P, small p. P is for parrot. Parrot. P is for penguin. 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 Parrot, penguin. Capital Q, small q. Q is for quilt. Quilt. Q is for queen. Queen. Quilt, queen. Capital R, small r. R is for rose. Rose. R is for rainbow. Rainbow. Rose, rainbow. Capital S, small s. S is for sun. Sun. S is for sunflower. 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 Capital T, small t. T is for tiger. Tiger. T is for train. Train. Tiger, train. Capital U, small u. U is for under. Under. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. Under, umbrella. Capital V, small v. V is for van. Van. V is for vest. Vest. Van, vest. Capital W, small w. W is for water. Water. W is for well. Well. Water, well. Capital X, small x. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. X is for X-ray. X-ray. Xylophone, X-ray. Capital Y, small y. Y is for yellow. Yellow. Y is for yogurt. Yogurt. Yellow, yogurt. Capital Z, small z. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Z is for zero. Zero. Zebra, zero.